Assalamu alaikum. I'm Tabassum Hudamushi, currently studying in Computer Science and Engineering Department at Shahjalal University of Science and Technology. Today, I'm talking about monopolistic competition. It's a type of market where companies sell similar but not identical products. So, ever wondered why a Starbucks coffee costs way more than a local cafe's coffee, even though they both serve the same thing? It's the coffee. That's the monopolistic competition in action. What is monopolistic competition? Alright, so monopolistic competition is when multiple companies compete in the same industry but their products are slightly different from each other. Unlike a perfect competition where everything is the same, here companies try to stand out. They do this through branding, quality, packaging, or just clever marketing. Now we will talk about basic characteristics of monopolistic competition. Number 1. Many buyers and one seller. In monopolistic competition, there are many firms in the industry, but each firm behaves like a single seller of its unique product. Even though multiple companies sell similar products, each firm differentiates itself, creating a small monopoly of its own brand. Example, think about fast food company. There are multiple burger chains, but when a customer chooses McDonald's, they act as if McDonald's is the only seller because of brand loyalty and product differentiation. The same applies to the brand like Pepsi and Coca-Cola. Both sell cola, but some customers prefer one over the other. Even though many firms exist, each brand dominates its own space due to differentiation. Number 2. Produces differentiated products unlike perfect competition. Firms in monopolistic competition sell slightly different versions of the same products. The differentiation can be termed of branding, quality, ingredients, design and packaging, customer experience. Example, shampoo market. Head & Shoulder focuses on anti-dandruff properties. Dove focusing on moisturizing hair. Sunsilk focusing on hair straightening. All three are shampoos, but they are marketed differently to attract different customer preferences. This differentiation gives companies some market power. Customers may stay loyal to the brand even if a competing product is available. Number 3. Some control over price since the products are different. Firms have some power to set prices, unlike in perfect competition, where sellers are take price. Here, firms act as price makers to a certain extent. Example, smartphone market. Apple iPhones are priced much higher than other smartphones. Why? Because Apple has a strong brand image and offers a unique ecosystem. OnePlus smartphones are also good, but they are in lower price. Even both smartphones can charge the same price, but they have some brand values. Free entry and exit. One of the most important characteristics of monopolistic competition is the new firms can enter the market easily and existing firms can leave without a huge loss. In a new coffee opens in the shopping mall and offers unique coffee flavors or better service, it can easily attract customers. If the coffee cannot attract enough customers, the owner can shut it down without a huge financial burden, unlike in a monopoly where setting up a business requires heavy investment. This easy entry and exit keeps the market dynamic and competitive, preventing any single firm of dominating for too long. Number 5. Demand curve is downward sloping in monopolistic competition. The demand curve slopes downward, meaning if the firm lowers its price, demand exists. If the firm rises the price, demand sticks. This happens because the products are not perfect substitutes, but they are similar enough that customers can switch if the price is too high. Profit maximization in monopolistic competitive market. In a monopolistic market, a firm maximizes its total profit by equating marginal cost to marginal revenue and solving for the price of one product and the quantity it must produce. The market demand curve and firm demand curve in monopoly is downward sloping. MR is equal to MC. Slope of MR greater than slope of MC. Condition for marginal revenue. MR should start to the original air. It crosses the horizontal axis through the midpoint of air. These two graphs show monopolistic competition in the short run, where companies can either make a profit or face a loss depending on their costs and pricing. Graphs on the left, monopolistic profit. This is when a company makes money because of price is higher than its cost. Curves to notice. AR is equal to DD. Here the demand curve. MR marginal revenue, MC marginal cost, AC average cost. How profit happens? The firm produced at Q star where MR is equal to MC. The price is higher than the average cost AC, meaning they sell at a higher price than its cost to make. The shaded box represent the profit area, the extra money the company makes. Example, think of Starbucks selling a latte. It costs them $2 to make, but they sell it for $5. Graphs on the right, monopolistic loss. This is when a company loses money because of its price is lower than its cost. The price is lower than the AC curve means they sell at a loss. The firm still produce where MR is equal to MC, but this time it's not over. The shaded box represents the loss area, the money the company is losing. So if P greater than AC, it's profit. If P less than AC, it's a loss. Short run, free entry, AR curve above AC curve, MC curve pass AR curve from below. At Q star, MR is equal to MC. Some firms quit in short run. At first makes profit but then faces loss, but later loss squeezes. Free exist. AR curve below AC curve, MC curve pass AR curve from below. At Q star, MR is equal to MC. Due to free exist, other firms will have profit. Both case supernormal profit. Monopolistic competition in long run equilibrium. This graph explains monopolistic competition in the long run. Unlike the short run, in the long run firms only earn normal profit, meaning they don't make extra profit, but they also don't suffer losses. Key points of the graph curve to notice. AR is equal to DD shows how much people are willing to pay for the product. MR always below AR because firms have to lower prices to sell more. MC marginal cost, the cost of making one more unit. AC average cost, the average cost of production per unit. What is happening here? The firm produce at Q star where MR is equal to MC. The price P star is equal to C is set at a level where AR is equal to AC. This means total revenue is equal to total cost. So firms only make normal profit. Example. Imagine a burger shop in a busy area. If they make high profits in the short run, new burger shops will open, increasing competition. Over the time, price drops until all shops just cover their costs, making normal profit, not extra profit. Why does this happen? In the long run, new firms enter the market if the firms are making profit, increasing competition and reducing prices. If firms are making losses, exist of market, reducing competition and allowing prices is rise. This process continues until firms make just enough to cover costs, which is called normal profit. Final takeaway: short run, firms can make profit or losses. Long run, more competitive enters or exists leading to normal profit. At equilibrium, P is equal to AC, profit is equal to 0, means normal profit. Hope that makes sense. That's it for today, and thank you everyone.